Welcome to HeatSign. This tutorial will guide you through engraving model numbers on PP color cards using our UV laser marker. First, rotate the emergency stop button to release the machine. Turn on the red light to assist in laser focusing. Now, power on the system. Insert the wireless mouse receiver and connect the mouse. Enter password. Now click text on the left to input content. Adjust the pattern size and set the marking parameters. Recommended settings for ceramic and wood marking. Speed 2000 mm/s. Power 50%. This configuration achieves high contrast marking without damaging the surface. Click Preview to check the position and adjust if necessary. Now, everything is ready. Start the marking process. Marking result. If you'd like to explore marking solutions or see how HeatSign can help your business, contact us today.